Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see if the Samsung Galaxy A16 have Dolby Atmos. Now to check if the Samsung Galaxy A16 have Dolby Atmos or not, just open the settings app. Now from here, just search Dolby Atmos. Now from here, just tap on Dolby Atmos. Now as you can see, Samsung Galaxy A16 have Dolby Atmos. Now to enable Dolby Atmos on your Samsung Galaxy A16, just connect your Samsung Galaxy A16 with any Bluetooth headphones. As the Samsung Galaxy A16 does not come with a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now from here, just open the control center and tap on Bluetooth. Now from here, just enable Bluetooth and connect your headphones. Now once you have connected your headphones, now from here, you can enable or disable Dolby Atmos. And also you have the Dolby Atmos gaming feature. And this is how you can enable Dolby Atmos on the Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.